Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into why you absolutely need a VPN and how to get one in a few simple steps. First off, let's talk about why a VPN is essential. A VPN, or virtual private network, protects your online privacy by encrypting your data. Imagine you're at a coffee shop using free Wi-Fi. Without a VPN, anyone could potentially see what you're doing online. With a VPN, your data is secure and private. VPNs also let you access content that's not available in your region. Ever tried to watch American Netflix while abroad and got blocked? Connect to a US server with a VPN and bam, instant access. Now, let's get you set up with a VPN. There are 3 highly recommended options: ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. You can start by clicking the link in the description to apply a coupon code. This gets you a nice discount. Once you've selected your VPN, download the app from their website. You can even try a 7-day free trial on your Android or iPhone, except for NordVPN, which only offers it on Android. After downloading, you'll receive an email to complete your subscription. Open the app, and you'll see a user-friendly interface. ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark may look different, but they all work fantastically. To connect, just choose a server. Say you want to watch American Netflix, select a US server, and you're good to go. VPNs aren't just for streaming, they're crucial for security. When you're connected, your ISP, government, or any other prying eyes can't see what you're doing. Now, you might wonder if the VPN provider can see your activity. With ExpressVPN and Surfshark, they have a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't track or store your data. These companies have been independently audited to confirm their no-logs policies. ExpressVPN even proved its reliability when the Turkish government seized a server in 2017. They couldn't extract any information, thanks to ExpressVPN's strict no-logs policy. So, getting a VPN is as easy as clicking the links below. Make sure to choose a plan that fits your needs to avoid overpaying. Most people find they use a VPN longer than expected, so consider a longer-term plan for better savings. For detailed reviews on these VPNs, check the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful and want to stay updated on VPNs and cybersecurity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.